I'm Corey.
And
we're Living in Diz. We are right here behind the parade on Main Street. It's like we're in the parade. We figured it would be an original way to do an intro. This is Park Fun and we're having some fun.
So loud.
We hope you can hear
Hey
us.
there, everybody.
Park Fun, let's go. Ah, pass holder. Empty. The way it should be. She's turning the arrow. Mischief. Wow. You gotta watch her at Christmas time too. She tries to steal the Disney wreaths.
I think it's Velcro though. I think you could pull it off.
Yes, in case you were wondering, and maybe you weren't wondering, the train is still dormant, but you can still go up there and you can visit it. They'll let you ring the bell if you ask. Little Living in Diz tip. Yeah. It's Panchito. That's not Panchito? Panchito, I love you. So comment below, that's Clarabelle Cow, but who's that? We don't know. Hey, that's a chickmunk. C-H-I-C-K. Chickmunk. Who is that? See, it doesn't matter how long you come to Disney, or how often. You always see something different, and someone you may not know. My question is, are they singing live? Mickey's in his birthday suit.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be alright. To the east, rockin' to the west, celebrate, party with the best. Everybody is a good time.
We're actually walking directly right behind the rope today. See? Yes. We've never... This is another version of rope drop. We're clearing the street. Literally. So it's like Living in Diz is in the parade, right?
Yeah, because they just ended the parade and people are still sitting here watching.
So that's a tip I just learned. If you want to get somewhere down Main Street and the parade is ending, just get right behind the rope. And look at this. I mean, we're first. And all these people are going to stay because they're watching. Living in Diz in the parade. Let's wave. Can you wave? Wave to the people. Mushu is in the parade. We are fast passing Peter Pan's flight. Yes, we are. Something we have not done in a long time. The reason why we haven't fast passed Peter Pan's flight in a long time is because we really valued Haunted Mansion way more than this. But I came up with a new strategy. I'm tweaking the strategy because what we've noticed over the last few months is towards the end of the night when we do our run, if you've been watching us for many months, you'll know what our strategy is. But we have certain rides we save in Magic Kingdom until the end of the night because they free up. Somebody's trying to get in the picture. Do you have something to say?
No.
Okay. I swear she's itching. She's itching to get more screen time, and we'll give it to her. So, as we pass Haunted Mansion, like 30, 40 minutes before park close on our way to things like Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, Pirates, and Jungle Cruise, because those are all walk-ons at that point. We just keep noticing that Haunted Mansion has the 13-minute mark on it. If you've never known that before, they do put 13 minutes up. It's never less than that, I don't think. And that's just a play on numbers, because 13 is unlucky. And it's Haunted Mansion. So what we're doing today is we did not fast pass Haunted Mansion. We fast passed Peter Pan, Big Thunder, and Space Mountain. So at the end of the night, hopefully Haunted Mansion will be free. That's the strategy.
That's the key.
The constant moving ride of Peter Pan has stopped. Oh, that's because we've got an elderly lady coming off. We may resume our regular scheduled program right now. So I was going to say that the reason why Peter Pan always has such a high wait time is because look at the capacity here. 2 people, right? Maybe 3 if you got a little man. But it's minimal space. So although it's a constantly moving ride, it does take a while to move people through.
They fixed it.
Think of a wonderful thought, any merry little thought. Think of Christmas, think of snow, think of sleigh bells, off you go! Alright, that's enough of my singing for today. Aerials on more than one ride, guys. I'm just saying. Just saying. Here are the engines. I love this when we go through the ship. Hi, Wendy. It's pizza. And the TikTok croc. And now the pirates have all been defeated thanks to Pan. Family happy. Classic right there. Classic. You deserve that. So I was thinking if Peter Pan's flight was the appetizer, PhilharMagic has got to be the dinner. So we're going to go check that out.
That is confusing. Why would you eat PhilharMagic? It would be weird. Yeah, that's a weird saying, because why would you eat PhilharMagic?
I would eat it. It's so good I would eat it, and I bet it would taste good. What would PhilharMagic taste like?
If you would
You're off camera, man.
If you would eat it, it would make a sound in your ears of PhilharMagic.
Wanted to show you guys this. You never see something like this too often outside of the castle. It's been drained. The moat has been drained. Apparently they needed to drain this to do some work. Which work, I'm not sure, but just interesting. Something that Disney doesn't usually reveal, but it's probably too much work to throw up all the scrim walls up there to hide this stuff, but just kind of neat. Right there you can see some rocks that probably only show up when the area is filled, obviously, just like these here. But they obviously had to get some vehicles in there to do some stuff, but just thought that'd be interesting. Not something you see on every vlog. Let's take a walk through the castle. Let's take a walk through the castle. Let's take a walk through the castle. Yes. You can't do this all the time. The castle is not always open.
It's usually for the show.
Yeah, but it is open now, which gives you a unique perspective of Main Street. Let's take advantage of this. And we are going to look down Main Street. Look at that, guys. Look how sweet that is. We're almost on stage. People Mover is a plus. If you guys have never done the People Mover, it actually took us several years before we actually went on the People Mover of Jillian begging us to go on this thing. And now a Magic Kingdom trip is not complete without the People Mover. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. We're waiting. There's nothing there because it's right here. We're having a little trouble with the People Mover at the moment. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Jill has something to show you. This is one of the new pins we have featured in our merch. Awesome pin. Meet me at the People Mover. Just so you know, sometimes teaching moments come up unexpectedly. And as you see all these empty People Mover cars coming through, they have to cycle them all the way through before we're ready to board. And we have a fast pass that we're going to be late for, but because we had difficulty here, you can simply tell the cast member that you were held up on another ride, and they will honor it. I'm getting on. This vlog keeps writing itself today. I like that. We're going to get to see Space Mountain with the lights on. That's coming up. Here we go. Here it is. All the track. We've seen this before, but you may not have, and it's pretty cool. Could be a once-in-a-lifetime thing for most people. Disney's polite way of kicking us out. Yes, it's time to go. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. Right? Isn't that how that goes? I hope you had some fun with Park Fun. Sometimes we just never know what's going to happen during Park Fun. Just like you don't know. So it's hard to tell you in the beginning what we did, and sometimes it's hard to tell you at the end what we did because we just don't remember, because it's one thing to the next. So I guess for now, I'm Corey.
I'm Jillian. I'm Jacob.
And the beautiful bride, Tammy. We're out.